This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we'll discuss attributes for mode in GWC programming language in graphics chapter. So here are the default attributes and colors for most screen modes are from 1 to 9. 0, 2 is 0, and 0, 7, 8, 9 is also 0. Number is 0. Then the color will be black and is actually used for text mode. Next number in 0, 7, 8, 9, if we have 1 and the number is 1, then it will be used for color blue. And again 0, 7, 8, 9 mode attribute 2, number is also 2, then the color will be green. And if the value is 3 and the number is 3, then it will be a cyan color. And if the attribute is 4, number is 4, a red color. And if the attribute will be 5, number is 5, color will be magenta. Likewise, if the attribute is 6 and the number is also 6, color is brown. The attribute value is 7 and the number is 7, color is white. If the attribute color is 8, attribute mode is 8 and the number is 8, and the color will be gray. Attribute value is 9, number is 9, color is light blue. Attribute mode is 10, number is 10, the color is light green. And if the attribute 19 is 1 and the attribute mode number is 11, number is 11, then it will be light cyan color. 12 and 12, it will be light red. For 2, 13 and 13, the color will be light magenta. For 14 and 14, it will be yellow. And for 3, 1, 15 and 15, the color is high intensity. White. Okay, note is the point which should be noted is the above color attributes are for screen except screen 10. Now we will discuss the color statement. After the screen modes, the next important thing used in graphics is the Color statement. The purpose of color statement is to select, display colors, and the syntax is color foreground comma background and then border. Color background palette color foreground comma background Okay, in general, color allows us to select the foreground and background colors for the display in screen 0 is border color can also be selected in screen 1. No foreground. Color can be selected, but one of two. For color palette can be selected for use with graphics, statements, difference, syntaxes, and effects that apply to the various screens, modes are described below. So here's we will draw a table of two columns. First column will type the mode, and then the second column will type effect. So the screen is 0, then modifies the current default text, foreground and background colors, and the screen border. The foreground color must be an integer expression in the range 0 to 31. It is used to determine the foreground color in text mode, which is the default color of text. 16 colors can be selected with the integers 0 to 15. A blinking version of each color can be selected by adding 16 to the color number. For example, a blinking color 7 is equal to 7 plus 16 or 23. Thus the legal integer range for foreground is 0 to 31. I'm gonna make them bold. All these values are very important. Note down. So I'm gonna make them bold like this. It's a very important thing to note. 16 is a number which is added to the color number in order to make it a blinking color, and its range is 0 to 31. the background color must be an integer expression in the range 0 to 7. And is the color of the background for each text character. Blinking colors are not permitted. For foreground, the blinking color is not permitted. If no arguments are provided to color, then the default color for foreground the default color for background and border is black, which means color 0. And for foreground is as described in the screen statement. Now we'll discuss the screen 1. In mode 1, color statement has a unique syntax that includes a palette argument, which is an odd or even integer expression. This argument determines particular color numbers for hardware configurations. The default color settings for the palette parameter are equivalent to the following: color 0 same as the next free palette statements. One is equal to green, 2 equal to red, 3 equal to yellow. If you use color 1, same as the next three palette statements. One is equal to cyan, 2 is equal to magenta, and 3 is equal to white. For screen 2, no effect and illegal function call error message occurs if color is used in this mode. Screen 7 to 10. In these modes, no border color can be specified. The graphics background is given by the background color. Note is argument outside valid numeric ranges result in illegal function call errors. So that's all, viewers. We have discussed today color statement with different modes, their syntax, their modes, and their effects, how each and every color gives result in different screen modes. So you can see we have described and explained the color statement and color statement topic in detail. That's all, viewers. Thanks for watching.